Jeffrey, H20.ai, 2 years from now, you're firmly entrenched in the public sector. What can we expect to see at that point in time?
Well, I think the future is here already, Luke. And the big challenge is we sell AI every day, but most entities inside of government have never purchased AI at scale.
And certainly not as a service.
Yeah, certainly not as a service, which I love, by the way, Paul. We're right in lockstep with you there. And so I think part of it is making, 2 years from now, we've got the right people in the room from an acquisition and a requirements perspective. They understand the mission. There's an understanding of the technology and the capabilities, and that it's not peanut butter, that it's brushed across everything, but it's focused in the areas that move the needle, make the most sense, that can be measured, right? You need an ROI on things, and so that you can begin to look at AI in the same way you do any other program metric and KPI and things like that. So from our perspective, upskilling folks in the program management offices, helping them understand what does proper due diligence look like when you're going to buy an AI capability, right? We see there's still a fair amount of buyer's remorse, things that are generalized capabilities, but may not necessarily really apply to the specific mission need. And so I think that training and education, understanding the requirements, the procurement, and the due diligence around AI is you have to make sure that you've got people that understand the real problem set in the room. And so it's very interesting. I think we're in a similar phase where cyber was 8 or 10 years ago. Lots of really smart people using some really interesting capabilities to solve problems, and now moving into the automation phase and helping them really do that at scale.